Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to change height and width of image dynamically at a runtime. So in this tutorial, we have created one document which contains one image and one button. Image have ID main. Source is main.gif, which is the GIF image. Width to 107 and height of image is 98. And we have also created one button which contains on click event and it calls change size function and value to change height and width of image. Now on click event function change size is called by this button. So in JavaScript we will implement this function and which will change the height and width of image. So I am writing function change size. So to access the image, first I am accessing image using document dot get element by id. I am passing id of the image which is main. I want to set height of the image, so I am writing dot height height and passing value to 207. So we are using height property of image at a calling of change size function. Now same thing I want to do for width. So I am writing document dot get element by id main dot width is equal to 150. Save this document and let's run. We can see image and button is created. Now let's click on the button and see what happens. When we click on the button, height and width of the image is changed and it is increased by the value which we have set in the change size function. So this is about how to change the width and height of the image at a runtime. We can set any property of image dynamically at a runtime. So this is about changing the height and width of image. Thank you.